My fellow Horis, a brief moment of our precious time. Are we really the lazy stereotype portrayed in the media? The "my nephews need to get off the couch" stereotype? Are we really the poor statistic that brand our people within a light deficit of compassion? On an island a memory away stands a mountain, Motutapu, where the sacred river Wanuiarangi flows endlessly into the majestic Moana Nuiakiwa. A man, a plan, a waka. Ladies and gentlemen, what is the use of knowledge without action? Action, the full commitment of oneself physically, mentally, and spiritually to an endeavor of movement forward, meeting the needs and wants of oneself, one's family, one's people, and one's land. We, the people moving forward with knowledge and action. We, the people, the tangata whenua, using the eons of knowledge given from the parentless one, handed down from the nothing, to us, the everything, to us, the descendants of the man, the plan, the waka. Pānenuiarangi was chosen to ascend the heavens and retrieve the 3 baskets of knowledge. Knowledge secured within the celestial kits of the Creator, given for the well-being of the descendants of Rangi and Papa. Earthly, celestial, esoteric knowledge to meet the physical, mental, and spiritual needs and wants of oneself, one's family, one's people, and one's world. This is the eons of knowledge given. This is the foundation to which our actions are derived. The foundation that saw Nukutawhiti utilize the knowledge within his ancestor Kupe to be carried by the 3 waves of the rumbling tides of Tāwhaki and settle into the spring of the word of light. The man, Nukutawhiti, the plan to seek a better future for his people. The waka, ngā toki mata whārua, the waka, the action, the ability to move forward, to utilize the knowledge and expertise around him. The fortitude to ask for help and to reflect on what is required within oneself to move forward. We are geniuses, circumnavigating the world while others were afraid of the edge. We, the noble savage, the noble warrior, held center stage the theaters of war. Give me 10,000 of those Māori warriors and I will conquer the world. Field Marshal Rommel, Secretary, speaking of the 28th Māori Battalion, the evolution of trench warfare against British, transforming the world of the musket. Ladies and gentlemen, what is the use of knowledge without action? Loss of land, lost sea, loss of language, not one more acre, though as we speak, Māori land is still being alienated. The foreshore and seabed, now an acronym MACA. Our language, a continuing challenge to keep alive in the home, the true place where the survival, growth, and nurturing of our language ultimately needs to be for it to truly survive. Ladies and gentlemen, in my story, the woman is a descendant of the great navigator Kupe, who gave his canoe matawhao to his grandson Nukutawhiti to be re-edged by the master Tautoko. She, being a descendant of the southern right whale that stands guard over her village of Otawa, and a descendant of the 100 hills of her people of Ngati, Hine. Her plan to keep the reo alive, Her reo, given from her ancestors as a medium of communication with the universe. Her unique language from her people of her land and her seas. The knowledge from her kohanga, and today the knowledge given by Te Aho Matua to keep my reo alive. It is with the words of my tūpuna, here mai a kauere of Otawa, that I leave as a parting thought. E kore e rere te miro ki te manu, ko te manu e rere ki te miro. For surely as the berry does not fly to the bird, we, the birds of Tāne's forest, must actively seek that knowledge that will propel us all forward.